Hey guys, welcome back. If you love cooking but hate spending forever chopping veggies, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 best Mandoline slicers on Amazon right now. The ones that actually slice fast, stay sharp, and won't wreck your fingers. Whether you're meal prepping, keto slicing, or just want perfect fries, stick around because number 1 might surprise you. In this video, we've covered all the pros and cons, so you can easily understand the advantages and disadvantages of each product. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer. Alright, kicking things off with the Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer. And honestly, the name says it all. This thing is built with safety as the top priority. I love that it comes with a solid finger guard that actually feels secure in your hand, not like those flimsy plastic ones you get with cheaper models. The blades are stainless steel and stay sharp even after weeks of heavy use, which is huge if you're meal prepping daily. It's also super versatile. I've used it for potatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, you name it, and the thickness adjustment dial is smooth and precise. On the downside, cleaning it takes a little extra care since the blades are razor sharp, so I always hand wash it instead of tossing it in the dishwasher. It's also a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But overall, for the price, this is a fantastic entry-level pick that doesn't compromise on safety. Product number 2. Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade Mandoline Slicer. Next up is the Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade Mandoline Slicer, and this one's a total workhorse. 12 interchangeable blades mean you're basically getting a full slicing station in one box. Julienne, waffle cuts, ribbon slices, you name it. As someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this variety is a game changer for salads, fries, and even garnishes that make your plates look restaurant quality. The stainless steel blades cut through hard veggies like sweet potatoes without any struggle, and the non-slip base keeps it steady on the counter. That said, with 12 blades comes 12 pieces to store and clean, so it can feel a little overwhelming if you're not organized. The blade storage container is included, which helps, but swapping blades mid-recipe does slow you down a bit. Still, if you want maximum versatility, the Mueller Pro Series is hard to beat. Product number 3. Gramercy Mandoline Slicer. The Gramercy Mandoline Slicer has quickly become one of my go-to tools for quick weeknight dinners. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for its size. I was slicing onions and carrots in seconds without any uneven cuts. What really stands out is how quiet and smooth the slicing motion feels compared to some clunkier models I've tried. The adjustable thickness settings are clearly marked, so there's zero guesswork, and the compact design means it tucks away easily in a drawer. On the flip side, the finger guard, while functional, feels a little smaller than I'd like, so I'd recommend using cut-resistant gloves for extra peace of mind. It's also better suited for softer to medium firm produce, rather than really tough root vegetables. If you want something simple, no fuss, and space-saving, the Gramercy is a solid, reliable choice for everyday cooking. Product number 4. Guidel Professional Mandoline Slicer. The Guidel Professional Mandoline Slicer brings serious restaurant-style performance to your home kitchen. This one impressed me with how effortlessly it handled thicker vegetables like beets and sweet potatoes. The blade sharpness is genuinely professional grade. It comes with multiple blade inserts for different cuts, and the sturdy handle with a built-in food holder makes the whole slicing process feel really secure and controlled. The main downside is that it's on the heavier side, so it's not the most travel-friendly option if you're taking it to a friend's place for meal prep. Also, because the blades are so sharp, first-time users should definitely start slow to get a feel for the pressure needed. But once you get used to it, the consistency and speed this thing delivers make it a top choice for anyone who's serious about efficient, professional-level food prep at home. Product number 5. OXO Good Grips Adjustable Mandoline Slicer. If you're someone who values comfort and ergonomic design, the OXO Good Grips Adjustable Mandoline Slicer is gonna feel like a dream. OXO is known for their grippy, comfortable handles, and this slicer is no exception. Even with wet or slippery hands, I never felt like I was losing control. The adjustable dial has clear thickness markings, and the folding legs make storage incredibly easy, which is a nice touch for smaller kitchens. On the downside, it doesn't come with as many blade variations as some competitors, so if you want julienne or waffle cuts, this might feel a bit limited. It's also priced a bit higher than some other options on this list. That said, the build quality, safety features, and overall comfort make the OXO Good Grips an excellent choice, especially for home cooks who prioritize ease of use over having tons of extra attachments.
Product number 6. Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer. Rounding out our list, we've got another look at the Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer, and it earns its spot here again because it genuinely delivers consistent, safe results every single time. What keeps bringing me back to this one is how beginner-friendly it is. If you're nervous about using a mandolin for the first time, the guard system here gives real peace of mind while you get comfortable with the slicing technique. It handles everyday produce like cucumbers, apples, and onions with clean, even cuts every time. The trade-offs are the same as before. It's a little bulky for tight cabinet space, and you'll want to hand wash rather than dishwasher it to protect the blade edge long term. Even so, for anyone building out a home kitchen setup and wanting a dependable, safety-focused slicer, this one continues to be a smart, budget-friendly pick worth having on your counter. And that wraps up our top 6 Mandoline Slicers. Let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest Amazon reviews. Check the link in the description for pricing. See you in the next video.